Crockpot Empire. I'm Kimberly Bishop and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you never miss an episode on Crockpot Empire. Today we're going to be making home-style mashed potatoes. This is such a great side dish to serve company, especially during the holidays, because it's an easy and inexpensive way to feed a lot of people and fill their bellies. So come on, will you help me? Let's go make some fluffy, creamy, home-style mashed potatoes.
For this recipe, you're going to need 5 pounds of red or Yukon Gold potatoes. We're going to start off by washing and peeling our potatoes, and then we're going to cut them into quarters. I like my mashed potatoes to be real creamy, so that's why I remove the skins. And now that they're quartered, we'll throw them all into the inner pot so that we can season them. I like to keep my recipe simple, so you'll just need 2 tablespoons of milk, a stick of butter, you can also cut those into pats, a teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste, a cup of chicken broth, and enough water to cover all the potatoes. Put the lid on lock and set the valve to no venting. Press the steam button, adjust the time to 15 minutes, and then press start. Let the pressure release, open it up, get out your mixer, and let's mash those potatoes. Be sure not to over whip your mashed potatoes because they can become real gummy. We want them to be thick and fluffy and creamy like these. I mean, look at those creamy mashed potatoes. Don't they just look divine? Man, I just want to stick a big old spoon in there and gobble them up. Don't you?
So comment below and let me know how you and your family like to enjoy your mashed potatoes. See you next time on Crockpot Empire.